Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Welcome to my channel Stotramala, daily chanting shlokas. In this video, we will know about Guru and some Shlokas of Guru. Guru is a Sanskrit word. Gu means darkness and Ru means light. The word Guru means remover of darkness. So Guru is one who removes the darkness and lights the lamp of knowledge, truth and self-realization. Guru shows the spiritual path to us for the self-realization and also to understand the God. Guru is not simply a teacher. He is a guide, mentor and light on the path of our spiritual journey. Actually, our life is always filled with confusion, illusion and ignorance. Guru helping us to find reality, overcome our ego and sufferings and shows the spiritual path to us. He removes the darkness of our mind. अज्ञान के अंधकार को दूर करके ज्ञान के ज्योति को जलाते हैं. There is one proverb in Kannada, हर मुनिदरु गुरु कायुवनु. मतलब अगर कभी भगवान जी हमसे गुस्सा हुए तब भी गुरु हमें बचाएंगे, हमारा हाथ नहीं छोड़ेंगे. इसीलिए हम गुरु को भगवान के दर्जा देते हैं. गुरु ब्रह्मा, गुरु विष्णु, गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा. It is not possible to God to come all the time to earth, so He sent Guru to guide us. Guru is one who shows the right path to his disciples. There were many gurus in the past. For example, Adiguru Shankaracharya, Madhvacharya, Ramanujacharya, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Swami Vivekananda, etc. इन सारे गुरुओं ने हमारे सनातन धर्म को पूरे भारत एंड विश्व में प्रचलित किए. शंकराचार्य जी ने भारत के चारों दिशाओं में 4 शक्तिपीठ स्थापित किया. Today these Shaktipeethas and its branches spreading and giving knowledge of Sanatan Dharma to common people. These are the shlokas to show our gratitude to Guru Parampara. First one, Guru Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Second one, akhanda mandalakaram, vyaptam yena characharam, tatpadam darshitam yena, tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Ajnanatimiram dhasya jnananjanashalakaya चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Third one, ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलवचनं सर्वादिसाक्षीभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं Sadgurum tam namami. Chanting these shlokas helps to choose a right path in our life. Vande Guru Parampara. See you in the next video. Hari Om.